today I'm going to be doing a power hour and some. I kind of went over my hour, but I wanted to go ahead and get done what I had already planned to do. So I went over maybe like 20 minutes or so we'll call it a power and some. But right now I wanted to cut my grass. I woke up this morning and I wanted to get my grass cut, so it's like 7:30 in the morning, and while I am looking around and just watching stuff, there was a wasp on that piece of pallet, and then there was a frog on the other one, and I was just like freaking out just a little bit. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get started, and here we go.
Baby, dance the night away, I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it, you can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, you don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I could see this through, I could wait another night. One more night, one more night. I could fight it through, till the darkness turns to light. One more night, one more night. Say it's gonna be okay, 'cause this winter is so long, feels like it's haunting me. Say there's gonna be a change, 'cause I feel like I'm just holding on to yesterday. But if I wait till the summer, oh, if I wait till the summer, oh, but if I wait till
Now moving on to my kitchen, I was gonna go ahead and take off my rain boots and just wash those out in the sink. I found using or wearing my rain boots while cutting grass is so much easier than wearing my tennis shoes, because then I would just have to wash those, where these I can just rinse these off and they're good to go.
it's alright. One more night, one more night. Say it's gonna be okay, 'cause this winter is so long, feels like it's haunting me. Say there's gonna be a change, 'cause I feel like I'm just holding on to yesterday. But if I wait till the summer, oh, if I wait till the summer, oh, but if I wait till the summer.
So I wanted to show you some like helpful tips for making a power hour easy. It's I have my stuff that I use, my cleaning cloths that I use, and then I have that basket there. because I switch out my cloths like every so often when I feel like it's too wet or too nasty. I go ahead and switch it out, and I have all of my cleaning products in that basket, in the other basket, so then I don't have to go and try to find what I'm looking for. It's all in one place right there sitting on the kitchen table or wherever else I put it. And then when I get done doing that, I usually put that basket with the dirty cloth, I'll put it on top of my dryer, and when it's time for washing, I just throw it in my dryer. So it's real simple. I know I don't usually show this part of my cleaning, but mostly I try to do this once a month, and it was already, as you know, the end of the month, and so I wanted to go ahead and get it done. So I don't get to get everything done that I wanted to get done today, but I know that I'll be cleaning this afternoon and probably tomorrow as well. So you're not going to get to see everything being clean, but just make sure you stay tuned, because I will have another video of cleaning, you know, the rest of the stuff that I didn't get to get done, because my goal at first was the power hour, and then it ended up going a little over, which I could have just finished it all, but I had other things I wanted to do as well. So anyway, and too, I got distracted. As you could tell, I was watching Dance Moms, and I think Abby was like yelling at somebody, and I was trying to figure out what was going on. So anyway.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat, yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. No, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low, that's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. No, it's no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, nah, nah, nah. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat, yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. No, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low, that's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. No, it's no more, we're done now. No, it's no more, we're done now. No, it's no more, we're done now. No, it's no more, no, no. We're done now. No, it's no more, we're done now. somewhere above the city lights, you're falling in love. Still aware, you know it is true that you were lost and this is a clue. Love is forever, love is forever. To believe, you gotta let go. Light as a feather, light as a feather. Lucid dreaming over Tokyo.
So this is like my second time I think using this baking soda, and at first I did not like it, and then I saw on someone else's video, I can't remember who it was, but they said to kind of let it sit there after you scrub it in. So I gave it another shot, and I felt like I did scrub for a very long time, but I did like the way that it turned out. So I think I may start using this more than the other cleaner. So I did give it another shot, and I did like it better.
Love is forever, love is forever. To believe, you gotta let go. Light as a feather, light as a feather. Lucid dreaming over.
So while I was waiting on this to kind of just sit there, I went ahead and put the magnets back on my refrigerator. And I know people don't put magnets on their refrigerator, but these things are just special to me, and I love just, I'm like a grandma, I guess, who like to hold on to things and cherish things. But the one with me with the hat and my dog, it says Courtney. One of my students gave that to me, and then a picture of me and my mom gave that to me. And then on the other side, those are kids that myself and my old roommate, we sponsor those kids, and like, you know, it takes out money every month, and I just like to see those pictures, just be reminded that, you know, times are hard for me now, but you know, people have it, or kids have it. Some kids have it worse than what I have it, and so it's just reminding me to be grateful for what I have. And I always like to do things, if I can, even when I don't have much. It still, I don't know, it just does something to me when you give back to people who need. So.
Close your eyes.
First, I'm going to go over it with this wet cloth, and then I'm going to go back over it with a dry cloth.
Yeah. Time flies, close your eyes. Imagine you could see everybody else's dream. What a comfort it would be. All along, standing strong, the way it ought to be. But you can never walk alone on your way to being free. Ooh, we're only human after all. Ooh, nothing could make us fall apart. I'm ready to answer for what I've done wrong in my life. It's nothing, I promise. It's not enough to make you cry. I'm only human after all. I'm only human after all. Yeah, it's not that big a deal when I think about it now.
So I'm going to go ahead and end this video right here by cleaning out my sink. And this is my favorite part of all videos that I always watch, them clean out the sink and just getting it all nice and shiny, so I figured I would end my video right here on my favorite part. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed it. Don't forget to like this video if you did. If you are new, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. And if you do, let me know in the comments that you did. Or you can let me know anything in the comments. I love chatting with you guys. And I will see you next time. Bye.